In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Solana on Aster. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now, whenever you're on here and you've connected your wallet, and by the way, if you don't know how to do this, you can watch the videos on my channel. I have a tutorial on how to connect every single wallet to Aster DEX. Then you of course have your wallet, and then you first have to deposit some funds. So click on the deposit button and then select your perpetual account. You can select Solana to actually manage it easier, and then you can just deposit some Solana on here and click on the deposit button. Of course, to be able to do this, you must have some Solana laying in on your wallet you have connected to the Aster DEX. After this, just go ahead up top left here, and then you'll be able to just find Solana by typing Sol. There we go. Click on it, and in here you can then buy or sell, or of course long and short via a market, limit, or any of the other orders available. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it, how to trade Solana on Aster. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.